Warm greetings. Welcome or welcome back to the Helping Hands channel. In this course, we will be dealing with data structures and algorithms. Before jumping in, let us first see who the course is meant for, that is, who the target audience are. This course is meant for undergraduate students who are pursuing a degree that is related to computer science. It is also meant for students who are preparing for their GATE examinations or other university examinations. It is also meant for software developers who want to strengthen their problem solving abilities. Curious coders and self learners are also very much welcome to learn this course. Now, let us see the prerequisites of this course. In order to effectively understand and visualize what this course means, the learners must have certain prerequisites that they must satisfy. The first and foremost is that the learners must have a basic understanding of any high level programming language. Java is preferred because in this course we will be explaining the concepts through Java, but then any high level language will work equally well, like C++ or Python or C or any other high level language will work, as long as the learner can understand the basic control flow and important concepts like loops, conditionals, and functions. Also, it is very important that the learner is willing to trace code by hand, by which we mean that the learner should be able to understand the behind the scenes working of the code. That is what happens when we implement a particular data structure. This course will deal with all of that. So yes, this brings us to the course offer, what the course offers. The first and foremost idea is the conceptual clarity. We offer conceptual clarity and actual visual walkthroughs through various coding platforms like LeetCode and CodeChef. Based on that, we will provide exam-oriented insights and behind-the-scene views. So you will not just have a theoretical understanding, but also practical implementations of how and where the different data structures can be used with their corresponding algorithms. So yes, watch the following continuing videos in order to understand these concepts better. Thank you. Happy learning.